Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to change video background in CapCut. So first of all, just go ahead and click the video that you want to add. So let's say for example, I want to add this green screen glitch, right? So I'm gonna just add this one, right? And I'm gonna just hit add, right, at the below right corner. As you can see right here, this is like the video basically, right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and let me just crop, sorry, it's okay, let me keep it this way, and I'm gonna just go ahead and see the tools right here on your below middle and swipe left, swipe left, swipe left, and click remove BG, and then just go ahead and click chroma key, and here you're gonna see the big circle. That means that it will detect the it will it will detect the color of the green screen of the background, if it was green, black, or whatever it may be, and just go ahead and click the intensity, and I'm gonna just make it 100, and click the shadow and make it 100. And as you can see right here, the background has been removed on this video. So turn on the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.